Hello, my name is Craig Daugherty. I'm one of the operations section chief for the Southwest Area Type 1 Incident Management Team, Team 2, with John Pearson as our IC. This is your update for the Milli Fire for August 21st, 2017, the day of the Great American Eclipse. So we'll go around the fire real quick. I'll give you an update on what happened yesterday, our plans for today, and where we're at. Start on the north end of the fire. Yesterday the crews made great progress here along the whole north side near DP2 on this map. And just to orient you on the map, this is a community of sisters, the subdivision of Edgington and Remuda, which is still evacuated, as well as Crossroads, which is also still evacuated. So the north side of the fire, a lot of progress. You can see we got some containment done yesterday. Today our goal is to work this piece and hopefully by the end of shift today have this portion of the fire contained. That way we can take care of these values at risk in the Edgington, Remuda, and Crossroads subdivisions. Coming on around the fire here in the Wachusett drainage, the crews worked really hard yesterday, contained the slop over that came across the Wachusett. Also worked all the way around this south end of the slop over that happened a couple of days ago. A lot of hard work in here, dozer line, hand line. They've got some hose lays in here to really take care of this piece of ground. Coming on around the south end, this part of the fire looks really well. It's all along the road system there on the 15 road. Everything's looking good there. The majority of the activity yesterday, our day was pretty quiet till about late in the afternoon yesterday. We had a piece of this part of the fire really heat up. A lot of folks saw a column pop up late in the afternoon. That was in this area. This is the Trout Creek area of the fire. Also late, even later than that, around 8 o'clock last night, we had a piece heat up here on the very west side for land purposes here. This is Black Crater. This is Mathel Crater. The fire heated up between the two of these and made a really hard push all through the night last night. Had a small east component in the wind, pushing that fire off to the west. Concern today is the Lava Lake campground, developed campground up on the top of the hill there, and we'll be focusing on taking care of protection of that value in that area. For those that know this country, this here is all lava, a lava flow, so our concerns of spread further to the west are minimal. However, the concern now starts to become what this fire activity will do here and north towards the 242 road. As folks know, in this area, this road is closed. We are working very heavily on this road with heavy equipment and crews, prepping this road so that we can use it as a holding feature for the future fire behavior. The reason for that is we want to keep the fire south of the 242 road so it won't impact some of the communities up here like Black Butte Ranch. Again, we also have a private in-holding here, private timber, high value timber that we're also trying to keep the fire out of as well. Crews worked in here yesterday, putting some direct dozer line where possible. They made it to somewhere in this area. They didn't quite make it to Black Crater Lake. They're still about a mile away from Black Crater Lake. We also worked some indirect dozer lines up through the road systems here to the northwest and up this direction, trying to get us a path to the 242 road. All in all, today the focus will be to close the loop here on this far east side of the fire, make sure that crews are taking care of that, and working here in this area and assessing how we're going to handle this fire if it starts to push north on the 242 road. That concludes our update for today. Thank you.